Alright, so I got this plug, and you can see it's very loose. It just falls out. Same thing, just not very tight. So we bought these Snug plug things. I'm going to try one and see how it works. Alright, so here's what we got. Just some plastic pieces. There's no adhesive or anything on these. I guess just pop one out and put it in. Alright, so just take these, put it in there. There's no adhesive or anything on there, but we'll see. It's definitely harder to put it in there, and it's pretty solid. It actually works pretty good. We'll take another one here, put it in there. Again, it makes them hard to push in, but they are solid once they're in, so I'd say these actually work pretty good.